Hello boys and girls, wishing you a very happy new year. So today we are gonna make a beautiful new year card. So for this I'm taking a sheet that measures 6 inches by 10.5 inches. Now on the 10.5 inch side I'm making pencil marks at 2 inches, 6 inches and 6.5. After this you can either make pencil lines and then fold, or you can directly just keep your ruler as I am doing and then fold on these pencil mark points here. And then after, when you are done with all the folding part, you can round off the corners of the small piece, that is the 2-inch side, as I am doing, or this is just optional, it just gives a look, beautiful look to it, so that's why I am doing it. After you are done with this, you can cut off the pattern papers for sticking on your card, or any other colored paper that you have in your home. So the sizes will be 5 3/4 inches by 1 3/4 inches, 2 pieces, and 4 pieces of 3 3/4 inches by 5 3/4 inches. Just paste these pattern papers as I am doing in the video here. After you are done with pasting your pattern papers, then we need one more pattern paper that will measure 2 inches by 6 inches. Now on the back side of this I am making some pencil marks, that is at 1/4 inches, 3/4 inches, 1/4 inches and 1 3/4 inches. When you've made these pencil marks, after that you can fold on these marked lines, fold it and crease them nicely. And after you have done that, put some double-sided tape on the outer 2 edges here, and just do as I am doing in here. Then we are going to make pencil marks at 1/2 inch on the middle part here, and we are going to poke some holes. You can use any pointed thing to poke a hole here. Then we need 2 of these small sticks. I am cutting it to 3.5 inches, and take a twine and just make a knot on one of these sticks, and then you can just connect them together to make a banner kind of thing, so that we can hang our Happy New Year on this banner. When you are putting the twine, make sure you are putting glue on the knot as well and on the stick, so that it doesn't lose its place. Now I am making some strips here to make the triangle for our banner. So you can take 4 inches by 1 inch and just make pencil marks on every 1/2 inch point, and then cut some triangles as I am doing in the video right now. When you are done with cutting these triangle small pieces, you can write your Happy New Year message, or if you're making it in any other theme, you can write that message as well. After you are done sticking the glue on these twine pieces and these sticks, then just insert both the sticks, and we will start pasting our pop-up element here on the middle part. So just make sure that when you're sticking it on this 1/2 inch middle part here, you are lining the edges together so that the pop-up is easily movable and it doesn't hinder when you close the card. So this piece of tape I am putting so that we can stick our sticks on this tape here. You can remove the sticky tape backing, and when you close this whole pop-up, these sticks are gonna stick on this sticky tape here. Now we will close the pop-up. As you can see, I am removing the backing of the tape, and I will align this side to the 1/2 inch tab here. And just make sure that all of this pop-up is coming inside that 1/2 inch tab. Insert a pencil or a small thing so that it sticks nicely, and then you can stick your sticks to the sticky tape which we made. Now I am sticking the banner here of a happy on the twine, on the black twine, and then I'll stick the new one here on the card base. And you can just include any other message at the back here, or at the front, however you like. Now for the closure of the card, I am using these velcro dots. These are available at the stationery shops. These are self-adhesive, so you don't need to put any extra glue here. So you can, if you have a smaller size, you can pop 2 dots. If you have a bigger size, you can put just 1 dot in the center. And yeah, our card is ready here. I hope you had fun making this beautiful pop-up new year card. If you do, then do subscribe to my channel for new tutorials. Till then, happy crafting. I am Priyanka from DIY Crafts with Priyanka. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Till then, have a really happy new year. Thank you for watching. Bye.